Home Remedies presents. I prepared this medicinal herbal oil for pain and inflammation relief. Cottonwood bud oil is an amazing medicine. It is an antiseptic, pain-relieving, skin-healing oil. The sweet-smelling sticky sap, also known as balm of Gilead, has been used for centuries to treat a variety of skin troubles, from cuts and scrapes to minor burns and bruises. Cottonwood tree buds, scientific name Populus balsamifera or P. trichocarpa, also known as white poplar buds, can be found growing along rivers and in moist forests. It's the leaf buds we gather from fallen branches after a windstorm that we use for medicine. Cottonwood buds have antifungal, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. The difficulty in working with the sap directly is that it is extremely sticky, somewhat similar to pine sap. One of the best ways to extract the medicinal qualities of the sap is to infuse the buds in an oil. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. An oil or salve made from this resin can bring relief to pain caused by swelling, arthritis, strains, and general muscle pains. It also works for herpes, cold sores, and sunburn. Plants work in a variety of ways, and it's assumed that cottonwood both modulates inflammation and directly relieves pain. In today's video, we will know how to make an infused oil from these buds. It smells so good. How to make the medicinal oil. To make cottonwood oil, fill a quart-sized glass jar halfway full with dried buds. Don't worry, everyone can easily purchase these dried buds from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. Now fill the remaining jar till the top with olive oil. That's it. If you use fresh herbs, fill the jar with them, leaving about 2 inches of headroom. Then fill to the brim with oil. This is the cold infusion method. Just let it sit for around 6 to 8 weeks. The longer you infuse it, the stronger will be the medicine. Stir every few weeks if you get the chance, and make sure the buds stay covered by the oil. Exposed buds will mold. When you are ready, you can strain the oil through a cheesecloth. It will have that characteristic sweet cottonwood scent. Remember to label your new clean jar with the herb and the date processed. Most infused oils will last for at least a year. You can now use the oil directly on scrapes, bruises, and minor burns, or turn the oil into salve. Stay tuned for my next video, in which I will tell you how to convert the oil we just prepared into a medicinal salve. The advantages of a salve is that the medicine is turned into an ointment consistency that better adheres to skin and can easily be carried for first aid uses. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value, and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.